Hello, YouTube. Thank you very much for choosing Learning Life and Living Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to Tommy's video on talking about his top 5 tips. If you guys are planning to look around at the different radio choices or anything that is inside the areas where you guys might live, today's video is brought to you by RadioReference.com. RadioReference.com is your complete radio database. From either help from looking around for different radio opportunities, all the way down to looking for your latest flight radio channel, so you guys can use RadioReference.com to find it. You guys can find more information at RadioReference.com. Now, before I start doing this video, just want to get some bearings straight. I don't usually talk on my radio scanner. I do not do that. I only listen, just to give everybody a heads up who's a bozo that likes to listen to them, not talk on them. Like, like, like my first tip, if you guys are planning to go to Holiday World, I would recommend you guys take a phone with you, because a phone probably would be your best option, because a phone, if you guys go there and look around at their top 10 radio ratios and look at those, you guys have so much a big problem. Now, another thing which I probably think would be a more brighter idea, and this is just a thing coming from my end on my radio scanners, are saying that sometimes, when you guys listen to a new DMR communication and you guys hear what's going on that channel, and you guys cannot get on that channel because they are in the 800 millibytes. like like I thought I could listen to it while I was there at the Ark Encounter. But second or not, whenever I went over there to the Ark Encounter, their radio communication was so low. Like 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 that's sometimes happening where I live. Just saying the Bloomington area, because the Bloomington area has the biggest radio problem at by far, because they're currently turning everything almost, if you guys go up there to Indianapolis, to even listen to the warrants division in the jail, you guys need an outer clearance to even listen to that, which I think that's really kind of awkward, and it's kind of rude for people like us who are radio scanner lovers. And a lot of us has to say, I'm going to divert my decision on listening to you guys. So a thing that I've been doing research on different radio scanner rules. Like I've seen the latest rule on listening to a good radio scanner is that if you guys listen by one ear, 2 ears could help you guys by a long far. Just saying. Now, another thing which I think would be a really good idea, and this is a thing that I usually follow, and whenever I go listen to them and I go check them out, I just go by my alternative decision. Let's just say that I go to the Indiana State Capitol this year, and I know that they do not allow radio scanners. Almost everything's there's almost encrypted. If you guys go to the West End and look around at the Indianapolis hotels, that right there is the biggest choice and the biggest problem, which I think is really kind of weird. It's really getting to us if you guys are like a big Radio Scanner fan. So another idea, which I would recommend if you guys are new to like the big Radio Scanner stuff, if you guys are new to like listening to them, something that I would recommend is everybody take your ideas and like write them down by a long shot, because sometimes a long shot can help you guys by all means, okay? Because I use long shots a lot. So let's just say, for instance, you guys are wanting to listen to a new radio, you guys are wanting to listen to that radio channel, but you guys don't know if you guys can because that's not in your area. So a idea which I would recommend, and this is a idea that I only recommend to my viewers, is that you guys should use an app called broadcastify.com. This app is free. You guys can find it either on your Radio Scanner apps or like different areas, like also like that. And also another idea which I think would be like a really good idea, and this would be like really helpful for anybody that listens to Radio Scanner Traffic and like listens to that kind of stuff and like sees like what kind of different stuff. And let's just say you guys go to our United States Capitol and you guys are wanting to listen to something like this, and you guys see that our United States Capitol Police has like a really big weapon, and they're like saying that, hey, I cannot let you use that on our premises. Then after that, you guys just show them your radio qualifications, and then after that, they might say, okay, by all means, you can come in. Now, that right there is just a thing that I follow by all means, and it's like a really good area, but a thing that I got to know, like whenever I go to these radio scanner places that do not allow radio scanners, like the Ark Encounter and the Holiday World and Splash and Safari, I gotta remember that to do not take my radio scanner with me. Now, you guys are probably wondering, like, what is my idea for like the big radio scanner competition coming up? Well, at the Indianapolis International Speedway, in the other thing, the at the Indianapolis Indiana State Fairgrounds, both of those are really good ideas, but I gotta wait for media credentials. So so I hope everybody has a great day in YouTube. I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another video.